Roughly a year after a mysterious illness that we now know as COVID-19 first emerged in the Chinese city of Wuhan, the World Health Organization confirming Thursday that a team of international scientists is expected to travel to China early next month to investigate the origins of the global coronavirus pandemic.
Our understanding at this time is that China is welcoming the international team.
But with talks still underway, according to the WHO, on the exact places the team will visit, it isn't clear yet if Beijing will give the scientists access to Wuhan, where a cluster of cases last December had suspected links to a market selling animals.
中方愿继续同世卫组织加强合作。
While this foreign ministry spokesperson says China stands ready to enhance its cooperation with the WHO ahead of the probe, Beijing has opposed the push for an international inquiry into the source of the pandemic, calling it anti-China. The U.S. under Donald Trump has accused China of trying to cover up the outbreak. But a German scientist who's part of the WHO team told the Associated Press this week, it's really not about finding a guilty country, but rather it's about trying to understand what happened and then see if based on those data, we could try to reduce the risk in the future. Worldwide, confirmed coronavirus cases are nearing 75 million. And now a high-profile infection out of France. The country's president, Emmanuel Macron, testing positive after reporting symptoms. He's now in quarantine, and an international contact tracing effort that includes reaching out to a slew of world leaders is underway.
Merci d'être là et derrière vous.
Macron on the job Thursday, taking part in a virtual conference while running his country remotely. Just last week, though, before testing positive, he attended a European summit where he met with more than 24 EU leaders, often spotted wearing a mask. But physical distancing seemed to be more of a struggle. Macron was photographed shaking hands and patting backs. French authorities say it was very likely Macron was infected during the conference. And that's not all. On Monday, he met with Spain's prime minister before having contact with the Portuguese PM Wednesday. Many on the long list of officials are now getting tested and are self-isolating while awaiting the results. Melissa Duggan, City News.